Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're feeling good about Kishu, my friends. It's time to buy more and more Kishu. My friends, now in this video I'm talking about the Kishu future. And this video is going to be very special, going to be very helpful for short-term investor. My friends, if you want to make a huge amount of profit in 7 days, 8 days, so Kishu is a big opportunity for all of you. My friends, first of all, the price of Kishu is very low, and you know what, my friends, the changes of the Kishu this time is negative. But my friends, tomorrow or the next day, the price of the Kishu will become positive. My friends, and Kishu will continue this pump to the next 1 week, to the end of this month, my friends. Simply, to the end of this month, the Kishu will continue this pump. You can see, my friends, now in this time they also taken a pump in now faster. There is a temporary fast, and tomorrow the price will again pump. So don't worry about these changes, my friends. Now the reality is that Kishu tomorrow or the next day the price will increase. And my friends, you know what, when the price start increasing, so they continue this pump to the next 1 week. So short-term investor now wake up in the market and buy more and more Kishu. Buy more and more and make a huge amount of profit with the Kishu just in the last 1 week. Positive 7.57% the price increase in the last 1 week, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Kishu? Please also share in the comment box. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.